Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to announce the launch of a highly requested feature for workflow and table forms that is going to significantly level up our forms experience, the embedded file viewer. With the file viewer, users can now preview images, PDFs, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint file directly inside the form. So how does it work? We have built this to work across the entire workflow journey. On start forms, or table forms, you can now give users an immediate preview of the files they have uploaded to ensure that they have attached the right document. Why URL? The designers can also point the control to a publicly available URL to display the dynamic content on task forms. This is where the real magic happens. By using the Nintex table as the bridge, you can now pass file from start from directly into the task form. The reviewer can view the document in the task form. They can also download the file if an unsupported file is added. With this launch, this feature currently only supports table file variables or URLs to display the file in the file viewer. Let's look at the expense approval use case. In this scenario, the user is uploading a receipt for approval. When the user submits the form, using our tables create a row action, the file is automatically saved to the Nintex table. Now let's look at the task. When the manager receives the assigned task notification, the task form uses the table data variable to pull the exact file from the row and display it in the file viewer. They review the attached receipt and approve or reject it. This feature is a game changer for anyone building document heavy process. It's live, it's powerful, and it's a massive win for our customers' productivity. Check out the updated documentation for the full configuration steps, and let's get our customers excited about the file viewer. Thanks everyone.